Boom! What is up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. This is a back porch edition today, but today we're doing something pretty dang cool. We are going to do a 5Cs water bottle survival kit. We're not talking about this, okay? No, these are not great kits, but something is better than nothing. You know what I believe in that stuff. Something is better than nothing. But we're going to throw some stuff in here that will actually get you out of a bad situation. Now, we're not talking keep you alive for 10 years in the woods unless you've got skills. But we're talking about something that a good 24-hour kit that'll get you home safely, we hope. So let's get everything ready. We'll be back. Who's ready to get this started? I am. All right, guys. Like I said, it is not going to be one of these kits. This is going to be something that you can actually use. Now, yes, I robbed items from these kits, but there's also some pretty good items in here as well that will help you out. First things first, the bag. I got this bag, I believe, on Amazon or Temu. I'm not even sure. I paid, I don't know, $10, $15 for it. I will put a link in the description. This is going to be the basis of our bag that holds everything. The water bottle. In Walmart again, the Clean Canteen water bottle for $5. Boom. You know it, guys. Throwing that thing in there as well. Nesting cup with a lid. This is a holder for our water bottle. Check this out. You want to cook, boil your water. There you go. You just hang it over there. You're good to go. Your sticker's going to melt off though, but do you want your sticker or do you want safe drinking water? Up to you. Up to you. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Whatever. There, there we go. All right. We're also going to put a filtration straw and a brew buddy. Got to have that coffee. Let's go ahead and start putting this pack together. First thing we want to do, we want to take our lid for our nesting cup. Throw it all the way in the bottom. That way it keeps everything nice and round. Then we want to put in our nesting cup. Goes down in there. Our water bottle. There's some directions in there for some paperwork for the Clean Canteen. I'm going to leave those in there because that makes great fire tinder. Put that in there. We're going to put our filtration straw right inside the bottle. Right there. We'll take our brew buddy. It goes right here in the lid. Fits perfectly. There we go. Fits perfectly. Keeps that lid nice and square. Now, let's see here. We are also going to throw in ferro rod, some wax jute, and a box of those stormproof matches. Two Mylar blankets. Here, we're going to try to build this as we go. Two Mylar blankets in there. A Write in the Rain pad with a pencil in there. I'm really hoping all this stuff fits. Go ahead and put our matches. Put in our wax jute. Put in our ferro rod with striker. This is going to be a tight fit, I can tell you that. We're going to throw in a whistle. Actually, the whistle will be right here on the side, this little carabiner. We'll just go ahead and clip that right on there. Tuck it down into one of the MOLLE loops. We have a flashlight that we're going to put in there. We will actually clip that to the side as well. I'm going to throw in commando saw. Just have it in there, guys. What kit will be complete without the Mac Daddy of survival? You got to have your credit card cutting tool in there, or you don't have a survival kit. It goes in there. All right, there we go. We got some paracord. You got to have cordage. Got to have cordage. All right. Now, here's something else we're going to try. I don't know if it don't fit. We'll have to come up with another way to carry it. We're putting in a knife. This is the Q-Cut stainless steel razor sharp knife with sheath. It might fit in the bottle. It does fit in the bottle, but the lid won't fit on it, so we will put it right inside. I think it'll fit. We should be able to zip it. Put our lid on our bottle. Let's see if we can zip this bad boy up. We can. That is awesome. We can. That is awesome. Got your American flag patch. And we're also going to go ahead and clip this on there too. Paracord bracelet gives you extra cordage, gives you extra ferro rod, redundancy, gives you a compass, and another whistle. And we are just going to clip that somewhere on the side. Just like that. Ba-da! Check that out, guys. We got the 5 C's right here. All right, this is a true survival kit. Okay, go ahead, guys. Let me have it. Let me have. Oh, there's some cheap junk in there. You know what? You are right. This is a budget channel, but I guarantee the stuff that's in here is better than the stuff that's in here, even though it's the same stuff. But you've got more chances with this than you do with this. There's no container in this one. There is in this one. Okay, we got a container. We got 2 containers actually. We got a water bottle and a nesting cup. We can boil water. We have a filtration straw. You don't have that in here. I mean, we've got everything we need in here. We can make a shelter and stay warm overnight. We got ways of starting a fire. We got ways of boiling water. And we can process wood. We've got a good, decent knife in there. We got a flashlight. We got a whistle. You know, the space blankets, 2 of those. I mean, again, like I said, guys, a million times, make it your own. Throw you a fishing kit in here. Throw you a small first aid, ouchie boo-boo kit, stuff like that. Make it your own. This is just an idea of what you can fit in one of these pouches for almost nothing, guys. These are great pouches. I have 2 of them, and I actually ordered another one because, like I said, I got 2 of the clean canteens from Walmart on clearance for $5 each. I wasn't going to pass that up. I'm going to make me another one of these kits. But this kit right here is a special kit because this kit is for you. That's right, guys. This is a giveaway. I am giving this away when this video hits 1,000. My views have been slacking big time. They have dropped way down. I don't know if YouTube has changed their analytics again. I don't know. But this is for you guys. And all you got to do is give me 1,000 views to this video. I pick a winner. Plain and simple. You got to be a subscriber. You got to be public. I told you that already on the last giveaway, which we're still waiting to reach that peak so I can give that away. Anyway, do me a favor right now. Go ahead and hit that like, hit that notification. More importantly, hit that subscribe button if you want a chance to win this thing right here, guys. I put this together for you. Yes, there are some stuff in there that's not the greatest, but there is some, but the stuff that is in there does work. The ferro rod, it does work. That's a great knife. I have two of them. I use the other one. It's a great knife. I will put links in the description, Amazon links in the description for all the stuff that I got through Amazon, and the stuff that I didn't get through Amazon, I'll find on Amazon and put links on there. So maybe you want to make your own kit like this. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope you jump on there and register and subscribe. Once you subscribe and view the video, you're registered. Plain and simple. Enter for your chance to win this cool survival water bottle kit thing. Yeah. First one, I promise. With all that, be safe, God bless, and get outside, people.